उन्होंने ट्रेड रोकने की धमकी देकर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर रुकवाया। क्या सिंदूर का सौदा होने देंगे हम और सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे?
Sindoor ka sauda, the explosive phrase the Congress is using to launch a scathing attack on the Narendra Modi government over Operation Sindoor. Versus BJP posting a morphed conjoined image of Rahul with Pakistani Army Chief Asim Munir, alleging Rahul, a Pakistani asset in India, who is set to demoralize forces at behest of Pakistan. The dust yet to settle on Operation Sindoor, yet a political storm is already brewing. The BJP versus Congress agenda Operation Sindoor. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi accused the government of informing Pakistan ahead of Operation Sindoor, compromising national security. He cited a statement by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to make the charge.
At the start of the operation, we had sent a message to Pakistan saying we are striking at terrorist infrastructure. We are not striking at the military. So the military has an option of standing out and not interfering in this process. They chose not to take that good advice.
Seizing on Jaishankar's statement, Rahul fired a pointed question. Did India lose fighter jets because Pakistan was forewarned? The Congress then hit out at the Prime Minister.
भारत को कितना नुकसान पहुंचा आपके अचानक सीज फायर से, और भारत को कितना नुकसान पहुंचा एस जयशंकर की एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ऑपरेशन पाकिस्तान को बताने से.
The latest now, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge claiming Operation Sindoor was a chutput conflict.
ಈ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮಾತು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 26 ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ಉಳಿತೀವು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗೇನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚುಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟು ಯುದ್ಧಗಳು ನಡೆದಿವೆ.
The BJP seizing political opportunity to corner the Congress.
कहीं ना कहीं इसमें मुझे राजनीति की बू आती है, और कम से कम खरगे जैसे वरिष्ठ नेता से इस प्रकार के गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान की उम्मीद नहीं की जा सकती.
The government pushed back hard. The Ministry of External Affairs fact-checked Rahul Gandhi's claiming that they are completely false and a misrepresentation of facts. In fact, BJP shared the DGMO's briefing on May 11th to point out Islamabad was informed after the airstrike.
We did attempt to reach out and communicate our compulsions to strike at the heart of terror to my counterpart in the immediate wake of Operation Sindoor. The request was brusquely turned down, with an intimation that a severe response was inevitable and in the offing.
It is unfortunate and very regrettable that the Congress party and its senior-most leadership, including Mr. Rahul Gandhi, several leaders, have often chosen to disregard what our armed forces say and instead raise or ask questions of them or the government. They asked for proof and evidence and questioned the surgical strike. They questioned Balkot. Now they are raising questions on Operation Sindoor.
The BJP went on to equate Rahul Gandhi and Pakistani Army Chief Asim Munir, alleging Congress allegations playing into the hand of Pakistan.
जो लोग पाकिस्तान के पाखंडी प्रोपेगेंडे के प्रॉक्सी प्रमोटर्स बनने की भूमिका निभा रहे हैं, ये वो लोग हैं जो लोग कभी देश के संविधान पे सवाल खड़े करते हैं, संसद पे सवाल खड़े करते हैं, संवैधानिक संस्थाओं पे सवाल खड़े करते हैं.
Clearly, with military operations coming to an end and the operation on pause, the political consensus on Operation Sindoor is also up in smoke.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.